I encourage you to pause this introductory video, go to Canvas, print out your syllabus, and then let this go again so that you can read it as we go along. My name is Paige Paulson. You can call me Paige. Office hours Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 11 to 12, or by appointment. The prerequisites for this course, you have to take Accounting 1110 or 2010 and CSIS 2010. But you can be taking this concurrently right now with this semester. We're using two books. One is the Computer Accounting with QuickBooks. It's 2013. Just a note, you need to buy this brand new, because if you buy a used one, that means the disc, the QuickBooks program disc, has also been used and you can't use it again. The Payroll Accounting 2013 edition is also in the bookstore. Both of these are in the bookstore, and I just encourage you to buy them in the bookstore. You need the 2013 edition. For supplies, use a flash drive or two. Main thing is that you back up your work on at least a couple of places. So on a flash drive and maybe your laptop, whatever. If you're using a school computer, it's not going to save it there. You probably figured that out by now. The answer keys for all of the homework are found in the Accounting Lab Room, Business Building Room 211. It's a place also where you can get some help if you need it. I'll let you read the course description, but basically what we're going to be doing is engaging in an applications approach to classifying, recording, summarize, and reporting transactions encountered in a typical business. And we're going to be doing this in QuickBooks. And then payroll and payroll tax reporting will also be emphasized using both the manual and computerized systems. So we're really using two different, it's like two different classes. The first half is all about payroll and the second half is all about QuickBooks. The course evaluation, 50% of the points come from payroll. You've got your homework, 25%. We're covering 6 chapters in payroll. There'll be a test on each chapter for 15%, and then a final just on the payroll portion. QuickBooks, the chapter and end of chapter assignments are 20%. Then there's projects for each chapter and the case, that's 20%, and then a final on QuickBooks. This is the grade breakdown, which we will stick to. So let's talk about homework. You're going to look on your course calendar for the specific assignments. Because this is a paperless course, you're going to be submitting all of your homework online, and they're due at midnight on their respective due date. And I encourage you to complete your homework assignments timely, because you lose 5% a day, and after a week I won't accept them. So when it comes to your payroll homework, you will be doing this in Cengage now, and you will have purchased an access code with your book when you buy it from the the bookstore. And this is the key that when you first sign on that you will use, and that'll then get it into the right class, which is my class. And one thing I want to say now about the payroll, and I'll say this again because I'm going to do a little intro for the payroll section and for the QuickBooks section, but you really need to follow the instructions given on each problem for rounding your entries when you're working in Cengage now, otherwise your answers will be marked incorrect. When I do the QuickBooks intro, I will go over how to submit your homework in QuickBooks. So I'm going to skip that little portion here. Really the only tests that we have are on the payroll chapters and then the 2 finals. If you're downloading anything from Canvas, follow these instructions to make the Canvas website be a trusted website. and then it's going to be a lot smoother for you when you do that. That's just a little hint. In Canvas, there's a discussion tab, and this is where I want you to post all of your answers or questions about the class, about payroll, QuickBooks, or about the class in general. And I'll post answers here as well so that everybody can see them. And if you have an answer to another student's question, this is where you will post your response. Something that I want to sort of prime you is to become a certified user of QuickBooks. You can take a test and become certified in QuickBooks, and this is a really great qualification to put on your resume. And I will be talking about this when I do the intro to the QuickBooks. It costs like $133 or $35, I think, from the bookstore to get a voucher to take this test. But it's really worth it. So we'll talk more about that. These are our learning outcomes. Go ahead and read those. Student code of conduct. No, the rest of these I just expect you to read. I'm looking forward to doing this course with you, and think that it's really one of the better courses that we have in terms of giving you practical skills to actually go out and get a job where you will use them.